We haven't gotten there yet because I'm going to
Okay.
ask George another favor. He talked about virtual live streaming open houses. What about virtual tours and videos? Can you give us a couple of your best tips for the Miami members out there?
You know what? Great question. And let me start by saying this. You know, us realtors, we don't operate by ourselves. We have a team. We have an appraiser. We have an inspector. I think moving forward, we need to add a content creator moving forward. Knowing now how important it is to showcase properties when you're not there 24 hours a day, I think adding a videographer or content creator to your arsenal is a must moving forward. If you don't have that luxury right now, think that you just have to start. No matter how terrible it is, you know, it's about getting the process started. So my second tip would be is get a camera and slowly but surely try to capture everything in the house. Understand that somebody who's really interested in buying a house doesn't care whether the video is pretty or not. What they care is, you know, are they able to see all the parts of the house? So walk the house, take your time, videotape it, and like I said earlier with the live streaming, tell a story. You know, us realtors, we are marketers. We're here to tell a story. We have a new platform, which is the World Wide Web. And I think that if you work with a professional, and you know, I think it's an awesome start. And if you don't, if you just start adding video, and like everything in life, Deborah, you get better as you go. And then never forget that real estate is emotional, and that if we tell a story, we help tie that emotion. So those are my 3 tips for you moving forward, Deborah.
Great tips. Absolutely terrific.